MrBeast, Logan Paul and KSI launch healthy Lunchables competitor. Online influencers MrBeast, Logan Paul, and KSI have teamed up to launch Lunchly, a new meal kit they describe as a healthier alternative to Lunchables. This collaboration aims to offer a quick and easy meal solution for kids, featuring some unexpected items. Lunchly includes a Feastables chocolate bar, a prime hydration drink, and a choice of 3 entrees: Fiesta Nachos, the pizza, or Turkey Stack Ems. These meal kits claim to be a better-for-you option compared to traditional Lunchables. Despite these claims, nutrition experts are skeptical. They suggest that while Lunchly offers lower calories and sugar, it still doesn't qualify as a truly healthy option for children. MrBeast, Logan Paul, and KSI are no strangers to food and drink ventures. MrBeast's Feastable bars and Prime Energy drinks are already well known. With Lunchly, they aim to provide a convenient, yet allegedly healthier, meal choice. The marketing pitch for Lunchly highlights its reduced calorie and sugar content compared to Lunchables, along with an added electrolyte boost. However, experts question the overall nutritional benefit of such kits. Unlike Prime Energy drinks, which contain caffeine, Lunchly's beverage option is not caffeinated. This distinction is part of their strategy to appeal to younger audiences. Nutritionist Olajide points out that despite marketing claims, Lunchly's entree options, turkey and cheese, pepperoni pizza, or nachos, are highly processed and rich in sodium. High sodium content in Lunchly meals is a concern because consuming just one serving provides over 20% of the recommended daily salt intake, posing potential health risks to kids. Children between the ages of 2 to 19 are already consuming nearly double the recommended sodium daily, which could lead to long-term health issues, according to Olajide. Lunchly also falls short in other nutritional areas, lacking critical food groups like fruits and vegetables, essential for providing vital nutrients and fiber. Olajide summarizes Lunchly as convenient but still far from a healthy option. The lack of fresh produce and high sodium content are significant drawbacks. Nutrition expert Dimitar Marinov adds that the marketing strategy behind Lunchly might mislead parents into thinking it's a genuinely healthy choice. Marinov emphasizes that Lunchly, while slightly improved, remains tied with Lunchables in terms of healthiness, still containing processed foods and added sugars. Both Lunchly and Lunchables should be consumed in moderation due to their processed nature, advises Marinov. Parents are encouraged to focus on packing fresh, whole foods for their children. Engaging children in packing their lunches can make the process enjoyable and promote healthier eating habits, Marinov suggests. In summary, despite the influencer's branding, Lunchly is still a processed food product and not the wholesome meal option parents might hope for. For a truly nutritious meal, experts recommend including fresh fruits, vegetables, and whole grains in children's diets, moving away from processed options like Lunchly. While Lunchly may offer convenience, it does not replace the health benefits of a packed lunch with fresh ingredients. Ultimately, parents are encouraged to look beyond marketing claims and focus on balanced nutrition for their children's long-term health. Engaging kids in meal preparation can be a fun way to instill good eating habits and encourage them to appreciate healthier foods. In the end, while Lunchly presents itself as a healthier alternative, it is essential for parents to prioritize nutritious content over convenience. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content just like this. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And as always, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay awesome, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next video.